gonna call a stone and a stick a stick. Packaging एकदम बेकार है. Where is my blush? It's gone. Bro, I run a made in India brand and I'm very proud of it. Sometimes it costs me, sometimes it's good for me. Expensive AF quality and ingredients में they must be cheaping out a little bit. I love makeup. Look at makeout session of makeout sessions and these are not gonna move. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the 2025 Beauty Awards by Sara Sarosh जो हम हर साल करते हैं. Every year annually I tell you the best and the worst in the affordable and the expensive category. And आज हम कर रहे हैं makeup edition. So I'm going to tell you all the makeup that is making it with me in 2026 that truly deserves the award of the best. मैं इतना ज़्यादा makeup try करती हूँ. हर रोज कुछ नया try करती हूँ. हर रोज कुछ नया लगाती हूँ. And this year I really feel like the Indian makeup market has also gotten a huge boost. Like color cosmetics में there's been so many launches and I've tried a lot of it online with y'all through reels and shorts and everything. If you follow me on Instagram you have more updates and I keep giving you like favorites here and there all year, but this is literally the best of the best जो मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा use किया है. And these recommendations if you purchase from them they will never fail you. मैं आपको worst भी बताने वाली हूँ. There are some mentions that really deserve to be out there कि please इसको मत खरीदना. So those also I'm going to mention in this video. It's going to be a little longer. So go grab your coffee, your snacks, whatever you're looking forward to eating while I sit and talk. And if you want to shop from any of these products, I'm going to tag it for you in the product tag section or in the description box. You'll have your links. And whenever you want to buy even the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, which is coming up, that time you can come back to this video, shop my favorites, which definitely you will love. If this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sara. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sara squad. I'm sure you'll love it here, and also don't forget the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And with that we can dive straight into this. So many years later my intro is still the same. जैसे हम मेकअप करते हैं मैं वैसे आपको प्रोडक्ट्स बताने वाली हूँ. सो लेट मी फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट थिंग आई पुट ऑन माय फेस एंड दैट्स प्राइमर. इसका स्किन केयर एडिशन हम बाद में करेंगे. जो स्किन केयर में लगा रही हूँ वो मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगी. तो प्राइमर इज माय फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट एंड आई थिंक ये प्राइमर मैंने सबसे ज्यादा यूज किया एवरी सिंगल डे. इफ आई एम हैविंग अ बेसिक मेकअप डे घर पे और इफ आई हैव लाइक अ फुल ब्लोन makeup shoot. Even today I have applied only this primer. This is the Easy Blur primer from Huda Beauty. It's a non-silicone, like a silicone free primer. तो उसकी वजह से आपको acne या breakouts वगैरह नहीं होगा. And it blurs and smooths your skin so nicely. So I really feel like in the affordable category we don't have any primer. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई primer ने मुझे fail किया है because इतने primers आए ही नहीं है ये साल में. ये साल launch हुआ and I really feel it's worth it. This launched with the foundation and I feel like the foundation if you don't want to buy it's okay. The foundation is great, it's nice, I use it a lot, but I still feel like उनकी shade variety इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है तो इतना आपको option नहीं मिल रहा है. And not everybody is going to get their shade. Like even the Easy Blur foundation I have is a shade lighter than my complexion, so it's not my most favorite or most used foundation, but this primer is my holy grail. Like I do not apply my makeup without it and you need literally थोड़ा सा and it just blurs your skin. तो आपकी पसीना वगैरह आपको बहुत आता है या pores बहुत बड़े दिखते हैं मेकअप के थ्रू. You have to invest in a good primer and I would highly recommend this one. I think this has replaced even Benefit Pore Freshener for me and that's saying something. Now when it comes to foundations, my top foundation this year was actually the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm surprised too, okay? I didn't talk about it that much to y'all because I was always mixing it with every single lighter foundation I had, like the Huda Beauty वाला. वो मेरे लिए light है तो मैं ये लगाती थी. आज मैंने सिर्फ plain इसको लगाया मेरे face पे और इसकी क्या coverage है and क्या blendability. You can just blend it with your fingers. It's Born This Way in the shade Caramel is literally my skin tone, my perfect shade match, and it's amazing. Like this foundation I mix it with every single foundation that's lighter for me. I love the consistency. It's thicker, it's easy to blend, it's full coverage. If you're a bride, if you're a makeup artist, you're going to want this foundation in your kit. I love the Born This Way concealer also. मैंने सालों से उसके बारे में रेव किया है तो इस वीडियो में मैंने उसको डाला ही नहीं है because you know I love the Born This Way concealer. It's a full coverage concealer, but this is also a full coverage foundation that gives you an amazing base look and it's my most used one. Now if you're somebody who doesn't like itna full coverage, then I would recommend the Clinique Even Better Clinical SPF 50 foundation. ये भी ये साल launch हुआ and ever since its launch I bought it and I just could not stop using it. For my everyday makeup I love this foundation. It's in the shade Medium Warm 2 जो मैं use करती हूँ. मम्मी का भी shade यही है and ये lighter coverage देता है and pigmentation इसकी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है but अच्छा खासा मतलब coverage देता है. आप इसको build up भी कर सकते हो. What I really like is the sheer blendable look and a very nice everyday makeup look. You must have seen me wear this so often on an everyday basis. Clinique is a skin friendly brand, so if you get acne, breakouts या आपकी mature skin है तो आपको Clinique के products try करने चाहिए because उनका मेकअप आपकी skin के लिए भी अच्छा होगा. Now coming to the affordable section. In the affordable category, my full coverage foundation still this year also I just have to award it to my Maybelline Superstay foundation. This Lumi Matte foundation is it. In the affordable category, अगर आप बोलोगे सारा एक फाउंडेशन बता दो जो हमारे एक्ने मार्क्स छुपा देगा, मुझे फुल कवरेज देगा, मुझे थोड़ा सा ग्लो भी देगा, हेल्दी लगेगा, मुझे ब्रेकआउट्स नहीं होंगे, एवरीथिंग, आई विल गिव यू दिस फाउंडेशन. लाइक नॉन कॉमेडोजेनिक, वेरी इजी टू ब्लेंड, वेरी फुल कवरेज, buildable, doesn't crack, doesn't dry your skin. Like nobody can beat this foundation formula. And this in this shade 330 Toffee is my literal ideal shade match. Maybe slightly lighter when I come back from a beach holiday, but it's okay. Like I can mix a little bit of like a tint or something and make it work. But ye foundation is something that last year also I think I made it to my favorites, and this year also it's still my holy grail. Something that God added this year, and I'm so pleasantly surprised with this tint. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour skin tint, and this I think is the perfect dupe for the Clinique foundation. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा महंगा है as compared, like, but on sale period this comes as a, like, on Nykaa sale I think last time I saw it for 599 or something. It is like MRP is ज़्यादा but selling price इनकी काफी कम है, so you can definitely आँख बंद करके get your shade in the L'Oreal Infallible skin tint. It gives you the coverage of what Clinique gives you, like medium coverage, not full coverage, but very blendable formula. Just take like dropper के जैसा, उसका dropper बेकार है, मतलब उसकी पैकेजिंग एकदम बेकार है, but dropper से ले लो एक दो drop and just like blend it अच्छे से in your skin with your fingers. You have such a nice coverage, a healthy glow. It doesn't have any SPF, but it definitely is 24-hour, and it's okay if you don't have SPF, just apply SPF before your makeup. I love it. I love the formula. I love the blendability. The shade 6-7 tan. You can see कि मैंने use किया है यार, इसको देख सकते हो आप, आधा empty है ये. And for me to use a product every day, that really goes to say that this is the skin tint of all skin tints for me. Concealer, expensive and affordable. Expensive concealer I have loved is my Fenty Beauty Even Better concealer. I think it's so nice, so lightweight, बहुत अच्छे से आपकी skin में blend हो जाता है, and it does not give you any creases. You can see I've finished one. I think the first one I got was in Singapore. Yeah, that time I got my first वाला and वो खत्म कर दिया मैंने, तो मैंने fresh वाला अब भी टीरा पे Fenty आया, उसके बाद I bought it. My shade in this is 385W, and it's an amazing shade match for me. It's the concealer I have under my eyes today. It's slightly brightening, warmer undertone है, and formula तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत long wearing भी है. So love the Fenty concealer. And in the affordable section, I think PAC Cosmetics really killed it with this formula. This is their Studio HD concealer, and what a creamy formula. Oh my god, like I'm obsessed with it. Like जब से मैंने इसको पहली बार use किया, उसके बाद I've just not stopped using this concealer. Today also I think I could just not find it when I was doing my makeup, otherwise I would have used it. It's literally become my everyday, my go-to, even if I want to just hide a little bit of darkness या थोड़े acne marks. Like इधर मुझे बहुत acne हो गया है, and वो सब छुपाने के लिए I'll just take a little bit of this and just put it on my acne marks and blend it with my fingers. So it'll do that also. It will brighten my under eyes also. It's got a very nice fluidy formula, very creamy, easy to blend. I think it's like so well formulated, and it can easily be a dupe of the Fenty वाला. तो Studio HD liquid concealer है in the shade 320 deep जो मैं use कर रही हूँ, ठीक है. This is the perfect shade for me. जैसा Fenty दिख रहा है वैसे ही ये भी दिखेगा, same to same. मैंने बहुत वीडियोस में लगाया, आप जाके देख लो wherever I've mentioned it. Next is powder, and I think I will just give one award this year to one powder, which is, y'all just know it. It's the Huda Beauty Easy Bake, and I don't think there's any powder in India or internationally right now which can compete to this powder. It's just such a good powder. If you put any darn concealer, foundation, anything, and just set it with this powder, it will make your makeup long wearing. It brightens your under eyes. It cancels out all the darkness. It cancels the creases. It's got the right formula, the right undertone. ये best powder है. इसका जो छोटा version आता है मेरे पास वो भी है, और वो थोड़ा सस्ता है. So if you just want to get that, that's also okay, because I have used that also for 1 year and it's not gotten over. I travel with that chotu wala every single time. It's not gotten over, so you can just buy the chota wala. This bada wala also doesn't get over. Like I have so much remaining, even though I use it every day for my makeup. It does not break you out. आपको acne नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं. आपको basically ये लेना है powder. इसका mesh भी बहुत अच्छा, packaging भी बहुत अच्छी है. इसको इस पे लेना है and just like press it under your eyes. I तो love to travel with this also. Even like loose powder is the way I roll. But if you want like a pressed powder, of course I would recommend the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. मेरा टूट चुका है तो मैं खोल के नहीं दिखाऊंगी. This is a very delicate powder, so it breaks very easily. It is expensive. You get it in a lot of sizes, so you can buy like smaller size if you want it cheaper. But it's okay. If you don't have the airbrush powder also, it's fine. But definitely get the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. I use the shade Banana Bread. Comes in a lot of shades. If you're fairer than me, if you're lighter in complexion, you can get Cherry Blossom. जो के लिए परफेक्ट रहेगा. So these two are their best selling shades like cherry blossom and banana bread जो Indian complexion के लिए best रहेगा. A complexion product that I liked and then I started disliking is the Tear Cushion Foundation. Oh my god, इतना hype हुआ, मैंने खरीदा, मैंने इस पे वीडियो बनाया तब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड इतने व्यूज भी आए वीडियो पे और फिर बहुत लोग इस पे वीडियो बना देते. मतलब मैंने तो कोई इंटरनेशनल मेकअप पेज से इसको मंगवाया फ्रॉम यूएस बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट इन इंडिया एट दैट टाइम. बट आई एम अ मेकअप गर्ली, okay? I wear makeup every single day and I was wearing it every day. But if you're somebody like, you know, who just puts occasionally makeup, this is gonna dry up. Like I used it a little and फिर मैंने कबर्ड में रखा, फिर मैं बाद में निकाली कुछ महीनों बाद and I'm pressing and pressing and pressing और पूरा फाउंडेशन सूख चुका है. So this foundation dries up extremely easily. Like there is literally nothing left. अभी बहुत कम आएगा and that's not because it's over. It's because the formula has dried up in the packaging and that's such a sad thing for a 2000 plus rupee foundation. It's a brilliant formula, okay? जब मुझे वो first impression में अच्छा लगा, I really meant it because I used it in Kolkata also and कोलकाता में जब दुर्गा पूजा के लिए मैं गई थी इतनी ह्यूमिडिटी थी, इतना पसीना आ रहा था, उसके थ्रू also this stayed put. It's a long wear formula, very full coverage, amazing formula. But would I recommend you to spend your money on this because it's going to dry up in the packaging? Absolutely not. Like if I'm buying a foundation, at least last me 2 years that I can use it aram se. So don't want that happening. And I think this just the packaging of that cushion foundation makes it like that. So I would rather just have my foundation in like easy blur foundation के साथ मैं travel करती हूँ because it's easy. It's a squeezy tube and you just remove it and put it. Like a viral product that really disappointed me and I don't think you should invest your money in this. Complexion products all done. Now coming to my favorite part and that is blush. You all know I have blush blindness and a blush in the expensive category that I have been loving lately. It's what I have on my cheeks right now is the Huda Beauty blush filter in the shade Black Cherry. अगर आपकी मेरे जैसी complexion है या you are darker than me, you're going to love this blush color. It's like this black cherry like the name. Plum color blush and the perfect shade of plum and pink that looks good with every single makeup look. जो भी makeup करोगे वो अच्छा लगेगा. It wears so nicely and so long wearing even if you put it just on your skin naturally. अभी मैं गिर गई थी गिर गई थी गुजरात for New Year's Eve and I just put it on my natural like skin without any makeup on my sunscreen. I just put it and इतना मस्त color दे रहा था मेरी cheeks को and even when I put it like today I've put it over makeup, it blends really nicely. It's a matte formula once it's blended and looks really good. Of course it's expensive, so I'll give you a dupe is the Fay Beauty blushes. They're not making it to my favorites because I feel like the Fay Beauty blushes are a little difficult to blend and they can be slightly ever so slightly patchy, but they have a darker shade too which can be a dupe of the formula. But I love the blush filter. If you have that kind of money and you want to spend it on a blush, go ahead, do it. Definitely worth it. Now a blush that I would recommend if you have a lot of money or don't, definitely get the Etude House water tint. ये blush भी मैंने इतना ज्यादा यूज किया, 300-400 रुपए का कुछ आता है एंड मैंने रोज इसको लगाया है. मेकअप लगाओ नहीं लगाओ, मुझे सिर्फ थोड़ा कलर चाहिए मेरे गालों पे, आई विल पुट दिस. थोड़ा लिप्स पे भी लगा देती हूँ मैं. आज भी मैंने लिप लाइनर लगा के इसको थोड़ा सा लिप्स पे लगाया है एंड देन आई हैव पुट अ ग्लॉस ओवर इट. सो इट्स सच अ गुड like color and payoff and the pigment is so long wearing. Like no matter what, आपको कितना पसीना आ जाए, आप कितना भी खा लो पी लो, this is going to stay on your lips and your cheeks and it's just going to stay put. So very long wearing tint and for 300-400 rupees I think you really need to get this blush tint whatever in your life. It's in the shade Cherry. Another blush I really liked using is the PAC Spotlight liquid blush. This is like almost the same formula of my PAC Xara blushes which are now discontinued and a lot of y'all loved them and used them and खत्म भी हो गया आपका. And so many of y'all keep asking me that Sarah, when is Turkish Delight coming back or Fudge Me not coming back? Unfortunately, it's not coming back because that was like a limited edition collaboration. But the shade Dusky Pink in this Dusty Rose or Dusky Pink, I think the name is. This is the shade Bubblegum, जो मेरे लिए बहुत light है. I can't find my Dusty Pink. That's the shade which is almost close and similar to the Turkish Delight, and then they have a coral shade which is almost close and similar to the Fudge Me Not. But the formula is what I really like more than the colors. The formula is so nice because it's long wearing, it's dewy, it's very pigmented, and I love that about these formulas of this Spotlight liquid blush from PAC. It's the dupe to the Rare Beauty one. That's how we formulated it, and you can get your hands on this if you missed out the PAC Xara collaboration. A blush that I did not like in the entire range that was so hyped and so marketed and just did not live up to the standard is the H&M Beauty. I mean, what even was this? Like, this blush stick is so cute and all to look at. It's called a do it all stick, but literally अगर आप इसको हाथ पे लगाओगे and फिर इसको blend करोगे, ये blend चला जाता है. मतलब ये गया. The color is gone. Where is my blush? It's gone. So it's just not it. Like anything H&M Beauty that has launched, and the whole point I mentioned it in my reel also कि this is all made in India. तो लोगों को लग रहा था कि क्या problem है आपको कि made in India? Bro, I run a made in India brand and I'm very proud of it and I don't have any issue with made in India. But what happens is when an international brand comes to India, they are trying to say कि अरे we are international, that's why we are selling this blush stick for like $7.99 or $8.99. Not at all. It's not because it's made in Italy or something. That's why like Pack Cosmetics blushes are made in Italy. So why can't you also formulate from there and send, because your international brand, international name, price point भी वैसे ही लगा रहे हो. तो made in India मतलब तुमने इधर उत्तराखंड में बना के हमको भेज दिया है and तुम्हारा H&M Beauty का नाम है. So I was just very irritated with the whole like the product formulation. Like there was no thought put behind it. It just had a big fat fashion label name and the whole range was a flop. This blush was a total flop and you know me, I'm going to call a stone and a stick a stick. Like it is what it is. Coming again to a product that disappointed and how, and I did not keep it inside me. I said it on my reels also. The Maybelline Sun Kisser initial launch that happened. They called it blush, but it was a highlighter. I don't know why they called it blush. Like the product itself says blush, and this is in the shade Midnight Shimmer, जो apparently darker complexions के लिए काम करना था. It is straight up a highlighter. It is not a blush. Okay. The product मतलब ये dark complexion पे कैसे काम करेगा? ये सीधा घुल जा रहा था. मतलब again, this is just blended into nothingness. The color family and the choice of the colors that they had to bring to India is, I think, where the product in itself adds that glow to it. And I think if it had a little more pigment in the color category, it would definitely show up on the skin. But because इसमें color pigment इतना कम है, सिर्फ highlighter pigment है, I think as a highlighter marketed, it would have worked really well. But it was as a blush. In fact, I got the campaign for this and for H&M Beauty both, and I had to turn it down both the campaigns because this is the product color and the product was not working out for me. Like I turned down the campaign and then I see everyone else promoting it and I'm like, how has this worked for you? You're literally my complexion. और आप पे कैसे दिखाई दे रहा है? When I tried all the shades and it just didn't show up for me. Then finally I turned down the campaign, मुझे मिला नहीं, and then I made a video about it and I was scared to make the video because you know all these brands I work with regularly, so I'm scared. But I was so grateful that Maybelline took it positively, and then when they bought the shade extension to India. So if you don't realize, Maybelline, L'Oreal, they always launch abroad and फिर उसमें से उन लोग ना narrow down करके इंडिया में चीजें लेके आते. सब कुछ नहीं लेके आ सकते because Indian market is not as big. So they bring the shades that they think works the best in India. So then when they were bringing the brighter shades to India, that's when they took me on the campaign and they actually took my video, the old one, and like flipped it around. And I was so grateful that they took it positively, that they actually got the other shades to India. And this is the matte blush, which is the not got the highlighter component, but this is a blush. This is made for every skin tone. I think I have the shades which I love the most. It's Hot Pink Summer and the Peachy Queen shade. I think these shades are phenomenal. Like Hot Pink Summer is my favorite shade. I use it so much. Again, a blush that I use so much. And even though they're saying matte blush, अगर आप फाउंडेशन पे लगाओगे तो वो मैट हो जाएगा. अगर आप नॉर्मल स्किन पे सनस्क्रीन के बाद लगाओगे तो आपको मस्त ड्यूई हाइलाइटेड ग्लो भी दिखेगा. I love the pigment on these blushes so much. I'm going to show you like a little bit, खाली एक डॉट लगा के. So I was on the campaign and I took it because I absolutely loved it. Like look at that. I blend it and you can see the blush. You can see the color payoff. This is Hot Pink Summer, which has a peachy pinky color. Looks amazing. They have also a darker purple color, जो फिर Huda Beauty Black Cherry का dupe भी हो सकता है. So this is more liquidy. It dries down matte, but if you have good amount of skincare going on, then you can have it like dewy also. So it really felt like this was like a redemption that Maybelline really had with this blush overall, and I was so happy about it that they took my video positively. And that's how brands should be, you know, like influencers are here to give you feedback also. This is our content creation, and we are supposed to be loyal to our audience. So I like to be as transparent as I can be. Sometimes it costs me, sometimes it's good for me. So that was all for the blush category. Imagine guys, मुझे blush blindness है, मैं रोज नया blush लगाती हूँ, and I really narrowed it down for y'all. Okay, like I am not showing you anything else apart from the best of the best. I have two more blushes in the worst category, and really don't want to do this because this is a small brand. But like, I mean, it's not hate, but I just feel like it's not a well formulated product. Like it's Flossy Cosmetics. It's a homegrown brand, and of course it's like a smaller brand, so I'm not going to say a lot of negatives about this. I just feel like this formula can be better formulated. This is supposed to be like a face balm. It's called a brown rusty shade and the shade is Mehfil. And इनका concept ऐसा था कि blush और highlighter, वापस वो Maybelline वाला concept था कि blush और highlighter हम एक साथ देंगे. It's just like giving eyeshadow. It's giving eyeshadow and it's a little pilling up. तो इसका formula अच्छा नहीं है. I just feel like you don't need a blush and a highlighter in one that literally looks like चमकी और उसमें आपने थोड़ा सा color लगा दिया, क्योंकि Indian weather और Indian climate ऐसा है कि हमको पसीना बहुत आता है इंडिया में, and उसकी वजह से I feel like highlighter की डिमांड ही कम हो गई. मेरे पास एक भी highlighter नहीं है आज बताने के लिए आपको. तो ये product मेरे लिए तो काम ही नहीं किया, and I really like Flossy Glossy Cosmetics lipsticks and lip glosses. I love their lipsticks and lip glosses. Just that this product did not work for me, and I'm sorry, it had to make it to this. Now, a very, very overhyped. I have spent my money 2 times on this blush. Expensive AF. Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk blush wand that I will never, ever, ever buy again. I used to always say that I love it, and I'm sorry for the ones जिन्होंने भी मेरे recommendation पे इसको खरीदा है. But अब ना बस हो गया. मतलब अब मैं नहीं कर सकती unless Charlotte Tilbury just reformulates this and does it in a doe foot applicator, and that's when I will buy it. Because what is this? Like ये क्या हो रहा है? मतलब ये टिप आपको दिख रहा है, सूख चुका है पूरा प्रोडक्ट इसके ऊपर. अब मैं जितना भी इसको स्क्वीज करने की कोशिश भी करूँ ना, पूरा प्रोडक्ट ने एक परत बना ली है ऊपर, and that layer I had to literally squeeze it out and cut the sponge and then remove the blush from it. The blush formula is phenomenal. It is literally the most long wearing blush. If you are a bride and if you're going to cry on your wedding day, it's going to stay. It's a matte blush, so it will be long wearing and matte and will not make you look shiny and pasinedar. The formula is banging, which is why I bought it one more time once I lost my blush. But I just feel like now that I've had it in my cupboard for so long, the packaging, sometimes you forget to close it. This nozzle, you're supposed to close it. कभी-कभी इंसान भूल जाता है यार, तो वो लीक होते रहता है. लीक हो गया तो तुम्हारे स्पंज पे पूरा वो सूख जाता है, और फिर इतनी उसकी पपड़ी बन गई है. तो ये 3000 रुपए का कुछ ब्लश, and it's absolutely not worth it. I do not like. I loved this so much till now. I just do not like it. Like, I think now there are so many other blushes which deserve your money. Go spend it on affordable, expensive, everything. But Charlotte, please just reformulate that blush, please. Sorry, repackage the product, not reformulate. Repackage the product without reformulating it. In eyeshadow palettes in the expensive category, I loved using these two. These are the ones I've used the most. Today I've used this one. This is the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. I'm so sad that she's discontinued her bigger palettes because I always felt like they were so much worth the money. And इसमें से जो भी matte shades है वो मैंने आज eyes पे लगाए हैं. This pink filthy one is on the top lid, and I love her palettes. Like, it's so nice, blendable. I've traveled with them. They've not cracked, they've not broken, so very well formulated and packed. ये छोटा वाला ना कहीं मिलता नहीं है. अगर आपको internationally मिल रहा है caramel browns, then get it. I love the color theory happening here, but I don't think it's on Nykaa, so unfortunately. What I also love in the affordable category is the Mars Blooming eyeshadows. I think Mars has killed it with color cosmetics this year. Like, a lot of lipsticks are going to be from Mars, and the eyeshadow palettes from Mars are amazing. This is in the shade 004 Orchids. It's got a very nice color theory. I think it's perfect for a smoky eye, for a wedding look, a soft girl aesthetic, everything. There are 3 very nicely foiled shimmers. मतलब इनकी shimmer की capacity बहुत अच्छी है, and the black is very, very matte and very pigmented. So this is one of my favorites, the 04 Orchid. ये हमेशा sold out रहता है. This is 300-400 rupees, and it also comes with a mirror. I don't know how Mars Cosmetics does it. Like, I think the quality and ingredients में they must be cheaping out a little bit. But eyeshadow, I think you can, like, कौन rose eyeshadow लगा रहा है? It's okay. Like, you can cheap out a little over there, in my opinion. Like, I mean, you can be Huda Beauty, you can be Mars, whatever your wishes. This is another color theory I really like. This is in the shade Imperial 03, and this has this color which is my favorite to, like, smoke out my lower lash. अगर मैं reverse wing कर रही हूँ तो I really like that. And it's the reddish brown color, then brick colors, and then some goldens. I think all skin tones are going to love this shade 03 Imperial. So these are my 2 warm tone favorite kind of eyeshadow palettes. These are the palettes I've used the most this year. When it comes to eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, you all know my NYX Epic Ink liner, my most favorite, the perfect to draw my wing, my classic Sara Sarosh wing that I draw, and my NYX brow pencil in the shade Espresso. Perfect to just, you know, एक side पे spoolie है और दूसरे side पे you get like a very nice fine brow pencil जिससे आप बाल भी बना सकते हो. So I'm just like breezing through these that deserve the award every year, and these are my no-brainer products जो मैं खरीदती रहती हूँ. Like, जो मैं country में मैंने देख लिया मैं उठा लेती हूँ, मैं Nykaa पे भी मंगाती रहती हूँ. So they are just there and they're important for me. Another one from NYX is for my brows. This is a Thicket Stick-It brow mascara, and कभी-कभी when I don't want to fill my brows अच्छे से, I just like comb through my brows with this and just set it in place. If you want to go that added step after filling, you can just set it with this. So very good like setting mascara for your brows, and इससे आप set कर लो ना तो brows ऊपर ही रहेंगे, it will not fall down. So I really like that. It has a little bit of pigment. This is also in the shade Espresso, so I get the pencil and the gel both in Espresso. Always, literally, these are my holy grails. I do also, of course, love my Precisely My brow pencil from Benefit. I think if you have that kind of money and you want to spend on a brow pencil, this is it. Like, go to a Sephora or go to Nykaa and pick up the best Benefit brow pencil. One tip though with this is कि इसको ज़्यादा खोल के use नहीं करना, बहुत easily इसकी pencil टूट जाती है. It's a drier formula, so always open it literally the least amount and then draw. And then the other side you have your spoolie, so you can just brush through with that. So Precisely My brow pencil in the shade I buy is 4.5. So again ये भी खत्म होता है तो मैं खरीदती रहती हूँ. These are my staples. Like with my brows, my eyeliner, I don't experiment because why mend what's not broken. When it comes to kajal this year, though, I think I have a new favorite, and that's the PAC Spotlight Kajal. Oh my god, what a freaking kajal. So beautiful, so pigmented, does not burn the eyes. Very, very, very pigmented. So if you have an intense smoky eye look, या आप वो तरीके की लड़की हो जो रोज एक को शॉर्ट कुर्ती और ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी एंड काजल लगा के कॉलेज जाती हो या ऑफिस जाती हो, oh my god, you're gonna love this. Packaging is also very cool for a kajal, but the formula is where it's at, and it's long wearing. It doesn't bleed and make it panda eyes. So really, really love. I think PAC has killed it with this kajal formula also. Some of like PAC products, I feel like they put such good formulation in it and nobody talks about it enough because it's not marketed that much, which is why I'm like, you know, y'all need to hear about this, because I know PAC Cosmetics goes out of their way and formulates it in Italy and France and all, and they don't market it like that. So I am here to tell you that if you want a good new kajal जो अच्छे से pigmented है and आपकी आंखें जलेगी नहीं जिससे, you have to get this. Okay, mascaras, and then finally we will do lipstick. Okay, so for mascara I have these three. These two are expensive and this is affordable. In the expensive category, the one I loved and finished this year is Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. Love this one. It's almost over. थोड़ा सा बचा, उसके बाद I'm gonna buy a new one again because it is really a very good mascara. It is not One Coat Wow, but build कर लो तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It gives you such beautiful lashes that actually stay like ऊपर. It doesn't like fall down, so it like stays where it is wherever you'll comb it, because I don't use a lash, what is that called, curler. I don't use that. I directly just curl my lashes with the mascara wand and let the mascara do its job, and this is volumizing, lengthening and stays put. Very, very good formula. Clumpy, a little clumpy when you're on your fourth coat, so go for 1 and 2 coats only. What I love again is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Expensive but worth it. I've bought it 2 times and I love because जब इसको निकालो ना तो ये tubes के जैसा निकलता है, तो it's a tubing mascara. This is easy to remove. What I love about Colossal Bubble launched this year, I was in the launch campaign, so happy to be working with brands that I actually love using, and then they make it to my yearly favorites too. I have used it so much ever since this launched, and I just feel like the formula is such ना कि बहुत lightweight, ऐसा feel भी नहीं हो रहा कि मैंने mascara लगाया है. It is slightly tricky to remove because you need like micellar, the Garnier का that yellow वाला micellar to remove this, but at the same time it's not as difficult as another waterproof mascara like a Maybelline Sky High is really difficult to remove when it's waterproof. So this one, even though it's waterproof, it's not that hard to remove. So my brides, you're going to love this. All my bridesmaids also, जो लोग रोने वाले शादियों में, अभी summer season में शादियों में जाओगे, please buy this because you're going to love this one. पसीना आए कुछ भी आए, आपका मस्कारा स्मज नहीं होगा, but रात को जब आप माइसेलर से निकालोगे वो निकल भी जाएगा. So it's not a त्रासदायक waterproof mascara. That's why I like it. So on my long shoot days, I love using it. It doesn't crumple and, you know, fall off, and gives you a really nice hold again. It gives you a hold and lashes just stay in place. The formula is not clumpy and it's a beautiful formula. So it's bubble. It's called bubble because it's light as air. And Colossal was the initial mascara that I used in my college days. So this is like the mother of Colossal Bubble. I love the mascara. I really do love it. Coming to setting sprays, I've got 2 in the expensive category and 2 in the affordable category. Okay, so let's make this quick. I start with expensive. The Huda Beauty Easy Bake. I loved it. It was such a nice one. आप देख सकते हो मैंने आधी बॉटल खत्म की है, and then this just stopped working. इसका कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है with the packaging. Like, can you see I'm pressing it? वो नीचे जा रहा है but वो कुछ स्प्रे नहीं कर रहा है. The packaging is unfortunately miss. Like Huda, you really need to repackage this setting spray because it's such a good formula. मेरा makeup long wearing टिक रहा था and matte रह रहा था with this setting spray. I loved it. I purchased it. Didn't even come to me in PR. But just there's a ball or something in this packaging that has broken the packaging. So I'm going to wait for like finishing another mist and then khali this in that bottle and then use it. So my Packixara mist is going to get over and then I'm just going to put this in that because I love the formula. So I'm waiting for another mist to get over. The all nighter setting spray, it took me years to invest in this क्योंकि महंगा है और मैंने खुद खरीदा, and then after I bought it I understood why the hype was. It has replaced Max Plus for me. Like that's an old story that's gone. This is a new love story and it's written, and this is the setting spray I'm going to use on my wedding day. It is the spray that really makes your makeup chipko to your skin and make it really, 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 really long wearing. If you have like issues with your makeup staying on your face, you need a long wear setting spray. Urban Decay has done it. I think now it's reformulated or something, but मैंने तो उससे पहले खरीदा था. तभी का formula is amazing. India में भी पुराना formula होगा तो you can buy it. US में I think the reformulated one is there. The OG PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I actually, one of my first MAC products that I fell in love with was this one because of look at this spray. This aerosol that PAC has on its makeup, like I really have to remove this makeup right now. खुशबू भी जो है ना इसकी बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है, तो कभी अब मुंह खुला रह गया जैसे अब मेरा मुंह खुला था and अंदर चला भी गया तो it doesn't feel bad. Love the aerosol, makes it long wearing, very nice setting spray for daily and you're getting a lot of quantity, you get this for very like under 1,000 I think, or little 1,200 or something. Very much worth the money. Now something even more affordable is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 3-second setting mist. This has recently launched, but ever since this launched, I think this is a dupe of the Urban Decay All Nighter, making it like chip coat and very long wear, waterproof, smudge proof, whatever they are claiming it to be. This is a fresh one. I actually was on the campaign for this, so they sent me a new one also, but I already have one. When it launches, even if brands don't send me products, I buy it because I am that makeup paglu. Even today, after 8 years of doing content, I love makeup and I use my money to buy makeup. Then when a brand sends me, then I just give the fresh piece to somebody else because I already was using it. So I love to do that because, you know, I have another one. Look at this mist also. I really like this mist spray. It's more powerful than the pack one. You can see the difference. Like this is misty and this is powerful. This is like soda बोल रही हूँ. This is like that क्या बोलते हैं उसको, perfume deodorant जो लगाते हैं. One of the things that it has a lot of alcohol which you will be tasting. So please keep your mouth shut when you're applying this setting spray. Don't keep it open because I have done it once and then all that alcohol goes inside your mouth. So keep it shut and then put it on your face nicely and your makeup will be very like chip coat set. This is the cheapest one I have in today's like list. It's $7.99 MRP. I'm sure selling price will be cheaper and very much worth it. Alright guys, we're come down to the lipsticks. I know I did my last video on my most worn lipsticks and it was a sponsored one and all of y'all were like, Sarah, this is not what we expected. I don't know what you expect. How do I want to pay my home loan? मतलब कैसे? What are you expecting from me? पूरे साल मैंने 2 ही sponsored dedicated YouTube video मैंने किया है, तो आप लोग ऐसा मत बोलो, वरना मेरे को sponsored dedicated वैसे भी मिल के आते नहीं है. जाके देखो वो वीडियो में बहुत ज्यादा प्यार दो और फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कौन से लिपस्टिक्स मैंने यूज किए हैं, उनके साथ ये भी मैंने यूज किए हैं. ऐसे नहीं करने का होता है. स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो किया नहीं कि सब लोग आ जाते हैं कि अरे दिस इज नॉट व्हाट वी एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम यू. व्हाट आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग? मतलब मैं इधर बैठ के क्या सोशल सर्विस कर रही हूँ? तो आई विल स्टार्ट विद द लिपस्टिक्स आई हैव worn everyday basis पे. I became this coffee enthusiast this year, like I always was of course, but I started filming a lot of content for Impulse Coffees and Impulse के लिए I love wearing a brown lip and a brown outfit. So the browns were really used and abused this year. One of my favorite browns, even carried it to Gear just now, is the Love Child by Masaba liquid lipstick in the shade Hukum. Oh my god, what a brown shade. Like I don't mind even applying it right now because I have this lip gloss on. You can just see it and then I'll have this throughout the video. I will put my screenshots from Gear when I applied it in Gear. अब भी last vlog में आपने देखा होगा, हम Gear National Park गए थे. And look at this lip. Oh my god. I will always be a liquid lipstick over a gloss girly because I have applied the most expensive lip gloss. There is थोड़ा सा वो भी bleed हो रहा है. I just feel like liquid lipsticks are so long wearing. This is the shade Hukum and it's a beautiful color. Of course, this is not the true color. True color का screenshots, like I said, I will add it. Favorite brown, that is my top browns. मैंने top browns का video already बना के reel पे डाला था, shorts पे भी डाला था. Another one I loved, worked with them this year too, is the Pilgrims chocolate teas in this new formula that they have of this bullet lipstick. I think if there's one bullet lipstick that really impressed me this year, it's the Pilgrim bullet. Like I had no expectations and जब brand मेरे पास पहली बार आता है ना, तो I say पहले product भेजो, मैं try करती हूँ, फिर मैं देखती हूँ कि मुझे campaign करना है कि नहीं. तो जब ये आया, I was like bullet lipstick के क्या ही खास होगा इसमें, but no, this is a very nice boy. You know, I'll tell you, it's a dupe almost of the MAC Retro Matte lipsticks, but even better. It's hydrating, it's creamy, it's pigmented, it's beautiful, very nice and matte formula. And long wearing भी है. Like मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे ये Pilgrim के lipsticks and I think they've really killed it with this formula. I'm going in literally no particular order, but now I'm in the affordable section. Then my L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipstick. This is my literally my favorite. आज दिन में मैंने यही लगाया था. This is in the shade Lazy Sunday in Infallible matte resistance liquid lipstick. And so many of you were like, no Sarah, you haven't worn this enough. Guys, I wear it so much. Every time everyone asks me on my stories कि कौन सी lipstick लगाई, मैं DM में उनको बताती हूँ कि Lazy Sunday is the one I have because look at this color. It's like mauve met brown and married them in the perfect way that will suit every brown skin tone. Love the Infallible matte resistance formula because not drying, very hydratingly long wearing. तो मेरी L'Oreal की favorite liquid lipstick formula ये है. Marucha Beauty, your plush pout lipstick definitely makes it to my most worn this year because I have जिस Marucha Beauty की plush pout तो मेरे ऊपर ही पड़ी रहती है और कोई भी lipstick लगाती है ना उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा I will put the Marucha Beauty one because of course Prunos killed it with the brand. I think for a starting, just the first year of a D2C brand. They're doing really, really well. And I think you should be really, really kind when we are treating a D2C homegrown brand, because having one, I know kitna kuch jata hai uske piche. And this shade she launched, I even removed the sticker. I think it's Maple, and Maple comes in her new holiday collection kit. I think she should launch it individually because it's such a nice color. मेरी skin tone बहुत dark है, तो मेरे लिए normally नहीं काम करेगा. But when I mix it with one of these lipsticks, it is the most beautiful undertone of cinnamon matte brownie nude. You know, it's very nice nude color. I love the formula for Plush Pout lipsticks, and they work so well as blushes also. So I sometimes like just for a monochrome moment, I'll put it on the lip, I'll put it on the cheek. So I love all the colors. I think all the colors are very Indian skin tone friendly. Nykaa ki super light cinnamon swirl still makes it to my favorite. Such a lightweight color, and you know, such a lightweight formula. Cinnamon swirl is such a nice brown. ये भी जितनी बार पहनती हूँ लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कौन सी लिपस्टिक है, and मुझे ये इतनी lightweight है तो ड्राइंग बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगती. Very very nice liquid lipstick. I think expensive में मैं इतनी लिपस्टिक्स लगाती है ही नहीं ना, एक भी expensive में. Yeah, wow. So you all should be proud of me, guys. Whenever I put a red lipstick, it gets me a lot of compliments, and all of you are like, Sarah, which lipstick? This is the red lipstick that's most worn, and there's one more, okay? This is Love Child by Masaba, Take a Dare. This liquid lipstick formula by Masaba, I love it. I hope she never discontinues it because it's my favorite. This is like Hukum bhi humne abhi lips pe lagaya. This is Take a Dare, and I have bought 2 Take a Dares. It's the perfect blue toned red. Like Ruby Woo used to be the blue toned red, and I feel like now with all these brands doing so well, we've somehow lost MAC Cosmetics and all this. Like they were the OGs, you know, but there are so many people have like continued their legacy and so many cool products coming up. Another red that gets me so many compliments, and every time one of you asking me, Sarah, which red is this? And I think in my opinion it's slightly darker, but the dupe to my Fenty Beauty HB Icy जो मेरा सबसे ज्यादा worn red है. Again, I use that so much, but जब भी use करती हूँ I cannot tell you क्योंकि वो इंडिया में मिलता नहीं है, वो लोगों ने discontinue कर दिया है. But ये वाली look at, oh wow, I love this color so much. It's an ox blood red, and if you are a dark deep skin tone, it's gonna look so good on you. I wear this with my Indian outfits, and it's like my lips look kissable, and this kiss proof. This is Faye Beauty's Lip Whip in the shade Revenge. It is definitely gives you that revenge energy. Another red which is on the glossier side. Now whenever I put a red lip and then Reeth doesn't want to kiss me, like he's like, no, wo pura mere upar lag jayega, I'll look like, you know, that Hera Fairy, that character. So he doesn't kiss me when I wear a red lip, but this is the lipstick which I wear and then he'll kiss me. Is the shade La Rouge Paris from the Lac Resistance liquid lipstick from L'Oreal. Now this came out literally abhi, so I haven't mentioned it anywhere इतना because अभी लॉन्च हुई ना, फिर उसके बाद मैंने वो स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो किया, फिर आप लोग ने बोला कि नहीं you don't use it. I use it, and then when I use this lipstick, my lips stay shiny, and Reeth is okay to kiss me also because it's okay, because it doesn't transfer on his lips and make him like a red-lipped creature. So this is a very nice color. If this is too blue toned for you because it is a bright red, what I like to do is put like a brownie lipstick like the Marucha Beauty Plush Pout, थोड़ा सा brown मैं नीचे लगाती हूँ, and then I put this, so it gives me that darker red finish because La Rouge Paris is a bright red, and the Lac Resistance के जितने भी colors है ना, वो matte resistance से थोड़े ज़्यादा bright है because they have the glossy component to it. When I did the sponsored video, a lot of you asked me what is the difference between the Lac Resistance and the Vinyl lipstick from Maybelline. They're very similar, but I think the Lac has a lot more shine, and of course the colors are different. The colors are completely different. जो आपको colors इसमें मिल रहे हैं Maybelline में, वो आपको इसमें नहीं मिल रहे, and vice versa. So it depends on what color you want. But these Lac ones are more shiny and more lightweight. These are more thicker, but this is also shiny only. I think these are the most used. Before Lac Resistance came to all my date nights with Reeth, I was wearing Barbecue or Sweet and Sour because this vinyl lipstick formula is glossy, long wear, and will not move. You can have like the makeout session of makeout sessions, and these are not gonna move, okay? If your boyfriends are fed up and your partners are fed up with y'all using lipstick and then putting it on their face, or glosses, gloss to lagao to Reeth to mere aas-paas hi nahi aata hai because gloss, he hates gloss. So that's why these are like the ones I reach out to. So Sweet and Sour is the brownie lipstick. I will wear it a lot for impulse के videos because it's brown, so it goes well with my coffee personality. देखो ये बहुत अच्छा कलर है, ये भी थोड़ा lightweight हो गया because ये खत्म होने आई है लिपस्टिक, तो मैं दूसरा वाला, मेरे पास 2 है, मेरे पास बैकअप का भी बैकअप है. ये जब मैंने खरीदा एंड फिर जब ब्रांड ने भेजा तो मैंने अपना वाला दिया नहीं क्योंकि मुझे पता था ये खत्म हो जाएगी. तो आई हैव, देखो ये ज्यादा, इसमें ज्यादा कलर पे ऑफ. दिस इज Sweet and Sour, and then this is Barbecue. Barbecue is like you know, plum and wine and the perfect date night shade. So good, like literally like sauce has melted melted on your face. I was on this campaign also, and I'm so happy that I was on this campaign because I loved this and I used it every day after that. So these are sweet and sour and barbecue. I can put like screenshots from whenever I've worn it also for y'all wherever possible. These are all my favorite lipsticks. Now I'll need to and then come back. Towards the second half of the year, we also saw the relaunch of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Renegade, and Charmer became my favorites after they relaunched. Again, got them for a campaign and fell in love, started using them very regularly because it's the matte ink. It's very long wearing. I actually was not that much of a fan of the matte ink pehle because वो बहुत drying थी, but I think they have definitely reformulated it. They've not just repackaged it. उन्होंने थोड़ा सा formula को hydrating किया और अभी ये बिल्कुल भी drying नहीं लगती है. बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती है आपके lips पे. For date nights, for weddings, for everyday wear, for office, for anything. It's 300-400 rupees. You cannot go wrong with this. And the shade Renegade is so my favorite. I love it because it's a brown color again. मेरे काम पे it's perfect. And the shade Charmer is slightly light. It looks good when I do my base makeup. अगर base makeup नहीं किया है तो it can wash me out like a peachy nude mixed with brown. So very nice color. Like these are unique colors to my collection also. I really love the reformulation from the Maybelline Superstay Matting, and they are definitely coming with me in 2026 too. Now the ROM and blurring tints. These are tints. They call it tint, but it is actually not tinting. It is like powder matte lipstick के जैसा इनका formula है. Both of them are reds. This is the shade Fizz. It is more of a blue toned red, and this is the shade Deep Soul. It's more of a darker browny red like ox blood almost. ये है Deep Soul और ये है Fizz. तो दोनों ही रेड्स मुझे बहुत पसंद है. ये वाले लॉन्ग वेयरिंग नहीं है बट एकदम कंफर्टेबल है आपके लिप्स पे. इतने महंगे भी नहीं है. तो अगर रेड लिपस्टिक में आपको वैरायटी पसंद है, आपको डार्कर लिपस्टिक्स पसंद है, मुझे डार्क लिपस्टिक्स बहुत पसंद है. अगर मैंने कुछ भी मेकअप नहीं किया, मैं एक डार्क लिपस्टिक थोड़ा सा ब्लश लगा के बस ऐसी बैठती हूँ, एंड मुझे मतलब इट गिव्स मी लाइफ. यू नो, लिपस्टिक रियली गिव्स यू लाइफ, एंड आई फील like you can never have enough lipsticks in my opinion. If you're a girl like, you know, who likes a little bit of tint, then the Etude House cherry tint, so I told you. But also these fixing tints, love them also. And the shade Rose Lilac, love it. I did a live with Etude House this year, and that's when I discovered this beautiful color on the live stream for Amazon. I had done it, and then it became my favorite. Like I bought it after that. So such a nice color. देखो इसको blush के जैसा भी लगा सकती है, थोड़ा सा lips पे लगा के tint ऐसे ऐसे just smudge कर दो, and बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है. Like, you know, as if your lips are naturally that color. So I love the concept of lip tints and these long wearing ones. This fixing tint is actually fixing and very long wearing. Second half of the year again saw the launch of Mars's Matte Mousse, and they became my favorites. Like this formula from Mars and this True Matte lipsticks, इनका ये kit आता है, ये brown वाला kit तो definitely you buy it. It has two shades which I love. Universal Ace, which is the shade I can't see right now in front of me, and Espresso Suit. उन दोनों को मिला के जो lip combo बनता है, मैं almost everyday उसको पहनती हूँ. Like मेरे videos में and all. And you're like, सारा कितने lipsticks आप everyday पहनते हो? साल में 365 days है, मैं रोज lipstick पहनती हूँ. So just imagine कि मेरे बहुत सारे like favorites है that I wear every day. So lipstick category is very galore. But Espresso Suit, such a nice formula of the Mars liquid lipsticks, lightweight, airy, not drying, and beautiful colors. The brown kit is my favorite. The red kit, I can make it in the hate list because the red colors in this are just like not good quality also, and उनका मतलब undertone भी perfect नहीं है. तो red वाला kit definitely मत लेना और brown वाला kit definitely लेना. And उन्होंने जो mousse launch किया उसमें my favorite shades are 3 and 11. 11 तो मैं बहुत use करती हूँ. The brown, like I will mix that dark brown color with 11 and it makes for the perfect lip combo. I wore it even on Diwali, and all of you all loved. Like my Diwali nude lip was such a nice nude. It was a very muted nude, and for brown skin we used to not have a lot of nude colors back in the day, you know. Like I would never be able to wear a nude lip confidently because we barely had options in nude colors. Mars has really killed it, given so many options. Even Maybelline's new lipsticks, like the options and the colors are so much कि अपने को भी nude मिलने लगा है. तो ये उनका दूसरा color है 3, and 3 is also really nice color. Then we are coming down to the last two bullet lipsticks that I loved again. Bullet lipsticks I don't wear इतना ज़्यादा. I wear mostly mousses or liquid lipsticks, but these Fay Beauty ones, Modern Matte, really like them. Like very much like them. Apparently ये लोग ने वापस इसको launch किया. पहले भी हुआ करती थी, but I never knew about it पहले. अभी when they launched it, I fell in love. These are shades that I've used the most: Unhinged and Buzz. Unhinged is more like a red brick toned brown color. Ooh, look at that color. Like my mom would love such colors. I think I should buy one for mummy also. She loves such brick toned red color browns. And you know ये मम्मी टाइप का लिपस्टिक है because like she loves bullet lipsticks, mom, and it's matte, so even I love it. So the name is so perfect. It's modern matte, but it's in a bullet formula, and I think they're creamy, they're long wearing. The shade Buzz has more of a pinky undertone, but it's also a very nice color. बिना मेकअप के आप इनको लगाओ and they look really good on brown skin. And I think Fay Beauty का वही best part है कि उसके जो लिपस्टिक के कलर्स है या जो भी चीज की वो कलर्स बनाती है वो inclusive है because they are inclusive beauty. And now the last bullet lipstick that I really like this year is a Kind's Oh So Smooth lipstick. Again, did the campaign for them, and I'm so happy that I was on the campaign because I had never tried anything from a Kind before. तो ये पहला प्रोडक्ट मैंने ट्राई किया and मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा. Look at this, the creaminess of this lipstick. I'm not a cream lipstick person usually, but this one really impressed me. Like, it is so shiny, so pigmented in one swipe. Again, a lipstick that everyone will love, even mummies will love, even youngsters and even Gen Z will love. And this red was the perfect Christmas red. I put it on Christmas Day as well. This is the shade Sunset, and it's a beautiful red color. I put Revenge and then I put Sunset in between. That was Faye's liquid lipstick, and then I put this for that brightness, and it's a very nice, like, creamy, hydrating bullet lipstick formula. So love that. And the last category we have is lip glosses. Now I have one expensive and two affordable. My affordable lip glosses, of course, are Fay Beauty? No. Fay Beauty's gloss I don't like that much. Maybelline's Lifter gloss I love since years and years and years. I have loved it. बहुत सालों से ये मार्केट में है. अभी उन्होंने थोड़े न्यू शेड्स लेके आए हैं. तो Topaz पहले भी था. I have always said that this would be like, if I'm a nude lipstick or a white lehenga kind of a bride, I would put a brown lip liner and then put Topaz in between and have the most shining, gorgeous bridal lip combo. And this is my favorite everyday lip combo. It's Heat. It's the perfect Barbie core bubblegum pink color for brown skin. Such a nice undertone for brown complexion because it's warm undertone. And the lip gloss I was wearing from the start of the video till now, the end of the video, is the Pillow Talk Plumpgasm from end of the video में नहीं, sorry, end of the video में हुक्म के अंदर छुप गया है. This is in the shade medium deep. This is expensive, but this Charlotte product, I would say that if you want to spend your money and splurge your money, buy it. Just get it. It's very worth it. It's the only lip gloss I wear on my good occasions. Like really, like मेरे को event पे जाना है, अच्छा दिखना है, एकदम fancy दिखना है, एकदम expensive दिखना है, तो मैं एक lip liner लगाऊंगी और फिर थोड़ा सा ये lip gloss लगाऊंगी, and lips look so juicy, so shiny. Of course, we couldn't have a video without it. We waited till the last, and this lip gloss is literally worth every penny. Okay, buy medium deep if you are medium to deep complexion. There's a fair to medium also. Undertone is just perfect, and I think Charlotte nailed it with this lip gloss formula. I cannot dupe it for you. It says Plumpgasm, but the plumping effect is not irritating, and it's not going to be very long wearing. It's really nice and very I love it. I just genuinely love it. Like, if it's going to get over, I'm going to buy it with my money. This was PR, but I will buy it with my money when it gets over. I think I completed everything, right? Kuch bhuli. No, that's it, you guys. What a long video. I told you it's going to be long. I actually missed my gym also because of this. So I have chosen y'all over my fitness, and I've chosen y'all to tell y'all everything that I loved this year in the makeup category, and I also hated this year in the makeup category. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I kept it very raw, real, authentic, Sarah style as always. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I don't ask like this, but इस साल मैं पूछूंगी, मैं मांगूंगी कि प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो. लास्ट ईयर मेरा गोल था कि 2 मिलियन हो जाए और हुआ नहीं, और बेयरली कुछ सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़े. तो गाइस प्लीज ये साल मेरे 2 मिलियन करा दो प्लीज. आई लव यू सो मच. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, give it a big thumbs up. 40 days with the Sasso Shower goes to Divya Pudel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sasso Shout Out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sarah Squad Shout Out. I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.